Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your laptop is plugged in but not charging properly. So this should work for all newer versions of the Windows operating system. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. And you want to type in Device Manager. You want to select Device Manager from this list. And now you want to expand the battery section by either left clicking on the little arrow next to it or double clicking on the batteries icon right here. And now any batteries that are listed in here, you want to right click on them and then left click on uninstalled device, click on the uninstall button. Now when you restart your computer, the batteries device should be re-added automatically, and hopefully that should resolve the issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.